Okay guys, this is a 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 X31 package. Good tires, full four doors, running boards, rebuilt title. Looked like the bumper, grill, and fender were all missing. And then there was some little damage that was right there. All been fixed up. Nothing else structurally or support had any damage. Got pictures to prove that. Been all inspected, passed our inspection. Six-seater, does have a smart key. So 52,322 on the miles. No lights on the dash, heated steering wheel, heated seats, backup camera, so automatic shut off, downhill descent. This does have a locking differential, does have the tow package, four-wheel drive, the power windows, locks and mirrors, cruise control, all your power options here, no sunroof. It's got the all-weather floor mats. This lays down, has a cup holder in it too. I do believe this is the longer bed. This does look like it has the split tailgate there. It's got some Rancho shocks. Again, this is a 2021 GMC 1500 SLE 4x4 5.3 rebuilt title. Some minor front end damage, no airbags deployed. Some LED headlights. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.